Okay, okay.
रेडी? संवाददाता नहीं लग रहा हूँ ना, रोल हो रहा है ना. सो हम लोग हमारे ऑफिस के नीचे आ गए जहाँ पे अभिजीत इज टेकिंग पार्ट इन दिस चैलेंज. So now we have 4 of us trying to make an image out of AI. So now all 4 of us will try and create one image जो बाद में हम shortlist करेंगे. तो
Probably go in the air and do something like this.
I was going to do the jump.
2, 1, go.
Hey Vinzi,
That expression.
इतना time नहीं ले सकते.
Bro, you know he is also called बालेवाड़ी का गुंडा.
Hold down. Tell my mother I loved her.
I'm very happy I got ऐसा कुछ तो try कर लिया. ठीक है, I am done. अभी I will randomly throw the chits. We will all pick up one chit. Whoever gets one gets to go at the AI first. He gets to select the photos that we have clicked. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 करके जाएंगे. 5 prompts each every round. This is rigged, right? These are not fair.
I was the last guy to pick it up. There were 2 options. I asked Vinzi to.
Acha, so first is Sir, then is Vinzi, then me, and then Abhijit. Now AJ will get to select the image, and nobody gets to see what the image is. By the time it gets to me, it has already been through 2 लोगों का iterations. So Abhijit will go through my prompts.
It's getting difficult for me to choose an image, but finally I have decided. Okay, so I have done with my all the 5 prompts.
Okay, okay.
I'm just making some small changes that people wouldn't see. I don't know why is it here, so I'm just going to quickly switch this off. So today is the next day. Yesterday the process of generative AI was working really slow and it got really late, so we just decided that we're gonna pause and resume it today, and let us continue. And done. Abhijit.
It's not even out there already. Oh damn!
Enjoy your prompt.
I got it last, so I've gotten the most random image you could have imagined. But I've added my own little spice to it, my own little drama. So let's see how everyone takes that. Oh wow! Okay, I see. I don't know. Oh wow! Oh. Okay. This is me after trying to get rhymes. So this is the original image.
आईफोन दे दो भैया. यहाँ पे लगा सकते थे.